Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you two ways on how to check which graphics card you are using in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to proceed at a button search bar and type on settings. You can also press Windows and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up your settings. So proceed and open the moment you've seen the best match. Now, once you are here at the settings, please proceed at the left side and look for system, bring it up. And the moment you use the bring up the system tab, proceed with display. Click on it. And here you need to locate for advanced display. Under related settings, you can see it there. Click on it. And once you have the click on it, you would be able to see your display information. You need to proceed with display adapter properties for display one. So the moment you bring it up, close the window so that we can focus in this one, which is our properties for our Intel UHD graphic properties in my case. So you can see it there that under the adapter type, you can see my graphic cards, which is Intel R UHD graphics, which is the graphic cards that I'm using. So you might have used NVIDIA graphic cards or Intel R UHD graphics. So any graphic cards that is present in you here, that means that is the graphic cards that your computer is being used to. Okay, so here I can see Intel R UHD graphics. So this is the very first way on how to identify what graphic cards you are using. The second method that you can do in order to identify such is you need to navigate at the start icon. Please do a right click, scroll up and look for device manager. So tap on it, and once you have bring up the device manager, you need to go with display adapters. So let me just drag it here at the center so that you can see it clearly. So you can see it there, display adapters. Now click this forward arrow and there you can find your graphic cards, which in my case, it is Intel R UHD graphics. So in this way, you have just identified what graphic cards your computer is using in your Windows. So that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. So those are the two ways on how to check what graphic cards you are using. If those step help you, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment in the comment section below if you have succeeded on identifying what graphic cards you are using. Thank you for watching and have a good day.